I have exciting news today. Professor Marcello Ceccaroni, a leading expert in surgical anatomy and a dear friend of mine, has joined our IFEMENDO Academy.
Hi, I am Dr. Marcello Ceccaroni, founder and president of ISSA, the International School of Surgical Anatomy, and the director of the Department of Obstetrics and Gynecology, Gynecologic Oncology, and Minimally Invasive Pelvic Surgery at the Sacro Cuore Don Calabria Hospital in Negrar di Valpolicella, Verona, Italy. For many years, my work has been dedicated to advancing surgical anatomy and deep endometriosis surgery, training surgeons from all over the world through high-level educational programs. Joining forces and sharing expertise with my friend Professor Horace Roman and the IFEMENDO Academy represents the natural continuation of my mission. Our complementary expertise creates a powerful and unique academic synergy that strengthens international surgical education and expands access to advanced anatomical knowledge.
Together we'll be offering an advanced cadaveric pelvic surgery course in Manchester, UK. You will also benefit from advanced surgical technique lectures focused on endometriosis. Together with Benjamin Merlot and Sujata Gupta, we aim to provide you with a unique experience in cadaveric laparoscopic pelvic surgery with applications in deep endometriosis.
Through the upcoming workshops, we aim to offer surgeons rigorous anatomy-based training that reflects the highest international standards of excellence and patient care.
We will begin in November 2026, and please note that places are limited.
I am truly enthusiastic to be part of the IFEMENDO International and the academic team and to contribute to this new chapter in surgical education. Join us, we wait for you.
We look forward to welcoming you to IFEMENDO in Manchester.